Congratulations, you've now finished the first part of your journey. Your hair transplantation is done, and now you're home. I've provided you with extensive instructions on what to do in order to make sure that you have the best results in your hair transplantation. So the key important things for you to keep in mind: make sure that you follow the instructions I provided for how to rest and how to lie down in order to both protect the new transplant area and also to help heal the donor area of your scalp. Remember to follow the instructions on shampooing. That starts on day 2. Keep yourself well hydrated, follow those shampoo instructions that I've given you, and then follow the other instructions in terms of making sure you put on the Aquaphor ointment in the donor area in the back. And then after the first 7 days has passed with that, you're going to switch to the bio oil treatment for the back of the scalp. Make sure that after the first night, you apply the bandages as I've instructed you for your donor area. And take good care of yourself to get some rest for the first couple days. By the time you reach the 3rd day after your treatment, I think it's all going to be downhill for you. You're going to feel really great. You're going to start seeing healing in your scalp, and you're going to start seeing your new hair actually taking place. Take good care of yourself for the first 7 to 10 days after the procedure. That's going to be the most critical time where those new hair follicles that have been put into the transplant area really have to grab hold of themselves. So you want to make sure you're eating well. You want to make sure you're getting rest. You want to make sure that you're keeping yourself well hydrated, and you're going to have full success. From that point forward, I'll see you after 2 weeks. We're going to have a quick evaluation to see that everything is moving along. After that, I'll typically see you at the 4-week point for additional treatments. I usually recommend for my patients to get a PRP treatment at that point, and then we'll do our necessary follow-up. I'm here to take care of you, and I look forward to seeing you in the next couple of weeks.